Guy is a due date for the filter right there. Okay, that's the refrigerator. What's the name of the refrigerator? It's a free there, right there. All right, simply squeeze the thing there. That's the aqua filter, and now we're gonna replace with this newly open. You're done. There. Kimchi. And then what you're gonna do, simply option. See the option, and then you go arrow down. You go to the filter and then press and hold. Reset. Alright. And hold. Now it goes to good. And then you're gonna go exit. To go back to the display. Exit. Right there. 38 minus 2. Bye bye, TubeView.